you know. But I appreciate you coming out of my car, yeah, harass me.
Wait. Before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Maya and Chad YouTube channel. Go over there, go show them some love and tell them say Angel send you. I'm gonna put their link to their channel in my description box. I'm gonna pin it in my comment section and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Go over there, go support them, subscribe to their YouTube channel and tell them say Angel send you. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. So I don't miss me bad, but I don't explain the situation too now. Super busy getting some stuff done, but I don't know I'm gonna come with the bang of them. So I'm here with Jason, my little boyfriend in my drive here.
And if you stop coming,
oh good. I love when me talk to him and him argue. Well, not argue, but just get, I don't want annoyed-ish.
Okay.
You understand, babe? Baby, understand?
Police.
That's why me and Uno I go test Jason today. So Jason don't know somebody that go do that video here, and me not tell him say it me go do until me ready, because me not want him to think about it too hard. So basically, me go act like me want female passenger. Well, me want female passenger right now, babe, though.
Yeah, I want alien passenger.
So, me's a female passenger already, but me go pretend like me and him girlfriend. Babe, you don't know me. At the first you see me, I give me a drive.
Come down to say what you doing in my car.
So you hear me? At the first you see me, I give me a drive.
Which how far may I carry you to?
It doesn't matter how far you carry me.
If I get a drive, I must have to ask you.
Guys, I don't know where we are right now. Jason, I do him.
No, we are talking about theoretically speaking. Me I get a girl a drive, I need to know how far she is.
So now, babe, when we come in and carry me, I go tell you. We're going to play out this because me and Uno, I test Jason's loyalty-ish. And I really loyalty, me I test, but I want to see how you that behave.
Alright.
I want to see how you that behave if one female stop you.
Let me show you.
And give you a drive. Babe, stop speeding.
She don't stop me, I'm driving past her.
Stop. Good, first time. Correct. Anyways.
He said, you can't.
No, but wait, babe. If a female wants to drive, you know, nothing wrong if I give her a drive.
Wow,
but you have to be careful, because sometimes, let me tell you something. Guys, never mind the fingernail, them, we soon sort them out. But me not really me not know. Certain stuff really not bother me. If Jason come home and tell me, say, baby, no, me give somebody a drive today, me not have no reason for vex with that, because things can happen to anybody at all. Me not gonna say, yo, mine cheat, mine should do this, blah, 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 blah. My thing is, me gonna say, be careful, because anybody can do things these days.
You make me anxiously await now if you see me in this situation. Alright,
guys, so since we are drive, me now gonna get to come out of the car, so me gonna just act like Jason pick me up. So babe, act like a pick. Well, wait, after this, you know me babe again.
Exactly.
Sir, act like you pick me up.
Start, you think no man, woman. Alright, I'm gonna act like me pick up you. Act like me pick up you. Hold on. Oh man, that was thick, sexy girl this. She attack me?
Just stop.
Baby, and a taxi me around still in about here when I can give her a drop, you know. Alright, come in. Lock your door. Put on a seatbelt. You remember, because I don't make people drive without them seatbelts.
You know, say down your road, me I go do.
Eh? How far down your road?
Down my friend, down one bar, down this one.
Alright, then which bar? How far? 3 minutes?
When we reach, I go tell her one stop.
So you don't know if me not go turn off her
road? So as I drive me a beg?
Okay.
It no matter how far me I go drive me a beg, you say yeah.
Hey lady, stop with the attitude no?
What your name?
Tony.
Tony?
Yeah.
I like your voice, Tony.
I like it too, you know.
The skin looks smooth.
Cocoa butter lotion.
You have a girlfriend?
No. Ask your question them.
How come you don't have a girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend. I have a fiancé. So you have a man?
Single.
Like a Pringle. Eh?
Your fiancé treat you good?
Why? Eh?
But that sounds so like she not treat you good.
But you may try to find a better adjective for good, man. She treats me super. You see it, female?
So not happy or not happy?
I don't know if she happy right now.
You happy with her?
Eh? I'm making ask me so much questions. You work with the FBI?
Just like your vibes, more like your style.
You like my vibes?
Or your style.
What kind of style that?
Black tees, jeans. Your hair look like it's strong and nice. Has she come here?
Eh?
Has she come here?
No, sir.
Who come here?
My sister come here, you see it?
Oh,
Yeah, hairdresser?
me do hair.
Oh, you want to do my hair?
Yeah, me can do your hair.
Sadly, still, I don't make nobody else if I know my fiancé or my sister going this thing, you see me? So I just this way there. Sorry about that.
Can't touch you?
For what though? You just come in a man car, you want to touch me. Me I give you a drive, you know, you get an inch, you want a square mile.
You look like one boy when I see on YouTube. And you then call like something like Razor?
Ah, so you know me. What you try to do me is prank me.
No.
You feel, you know?
I see to them for funny video there out in the street.
Man, thing,
Can't touch
man.
you?
Alright, so you touch me then now, you happy?
Jesus.
Hey, woman! You just know me, you touch me one time, we happy, feel me? No, look at hey, my woman would feel happy if you know say you touch me say no. So
you know you like.
Yo! Don't make me happy. You see you know woman know you push on yourself for me, miss. I mean I push on myself for you. You see me I say? Oi! What the Yo, stop! But the bomba chuck man on the top of nice back of me. Sorry about that, miss. What you feel?
I'm not tell your fiancé.
You don't know her.
I feel like a big.
Stop low. You little.
You look like you carry something big.
Listen, don't touch my seed.
You carry something big?
I don't carry nothing at all.
You leg to your ear.
Gee, woman, you just a feel so you.
Shrink is it?
You Annie?
Man, I love some.
Me have a brother who look just like me.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Yo, me can't. You, woman, listen. Me have one disease where if you touch me, I get it. Stop touch me. Good.
You know what I don't have a friend there, but don't have a friend bar, but I feel hungry.
So you walk with your belly? Are you walk with your purse too?
I can't buy me too pretty.
And you know?
I want orange juice.
Is you want to start the pack? You know,
I
mama?
say you treat a fiancé?
No, listen, I treat my fiancé different. When you come in a man can and you want party, you want your suit, tell me say you want money. Otherwise, I'm fear.
Your voice sound good.
My lady ask me to try if you turn off, you come here, you turn on more.
Deep bass.
No, listen. Just relax. I know you seduce me, because I
them lips
don't have no money.
What them lips to do?
What them for do?
Them look nice.
Them better look nice.
And chirpy.
And very chirpy too.
Long days I'm not friend bar.
Thank God, I can't wait for it, yeah. You see, woman chap stop try to touch me now. Serious levels though, you're on the touchy business there. You see me I say? Lady, stop, you know, see me try cross the road, mama. Yeah, well, yo.
I'm sorry.
You know, see you nearly make me crash.
Sorry.
Come on, you see, you get so harsh, and I'm not this harsh in you.
I say you treat a fiancé.
No, definitely
I
not.
say you bark after her.
I'm not a dog, so I don't bark.
Sir, why you turn off with me?
Listen, I'm actually gonna go up there, but I'm taking a shorter route.
I mean, you want some?
Want some of what?
Me.
What you have?
Everything what you want.
No, you know what I want.
What you want.
Exactly. Yeah, you don't know what I want, man.
Pull over now.
Yo, yeah, just a lady, keep your finger them to yourself, no? The backside.
Pull over now.
Watch me no driver, watch me. Aye. Pull over for what?
Pull over, I could do it because you know you want.
Me could do what?
You
Lady,
look
not
like
even
a fiancé, not even gear, nothing on your
then how you look on that and for me I know so me not
because
get
me know when time somebody I'll ride them. It's written all over.
Yeah, was psychiatrist.
Kiss me.
But the backside, I don't know you man want to kiss her for. Yo, look here now.
Kiss me.
Look here now. Look here now. But I appreciate you come out of my car and arrest me.
You're so mean.
You see.
You're so mean. You give me a little drive and I say you go on.
No, bro.
Kiss me now. Kiss me.
I don't want to kiss you. I know. Come, let me kiss you. You're freaking. I'm here. Man, you're looking at me. Better me need to.
So weird, cause babe. I saw a woman come in here carry and I kiss them.
Yes,
Then I fall for temptation.
Did I kiss you?
Guys.
Did I kiss you?
But you attempt to do
I
it.
did not attempt to be tricky lady. Cause me I play with her fantasies.
There's that don't count. You can't tell me.
Me I play with her fantasies.
And me and una judge Jason.
What did you judge? Me I play with her fantasies.
Babe, I saw you that kiss one woman.
Kiss which woman?
Where you pick up on the road and give drive.
Who me I pick up on the road and give drive? Name one person you ever see me give drive.
Alright, forget about it. May I go back to your person.
Then where you go back to?
My name Eve.
What you say now?
I can't touch your body.
Yo, you woman, stop touch after me. Who no putting yourself in a trouble with man all the while. Keep your hand to yourself now.
Yeah, we buy 2 patty to me and the juice.
I don't have any money to buy any patty for you, you know. I need to have money to buy. I need to have money to buy patty for myself. Me nah none. Scrabble, me nah none.
Beg your 5 bills.
Me nah none.
Give me a grand then no?
But the backside, if me not 5, me I'll give you a grand.
Give me a grand, man. Me know you
Yo, you want grandkids? Most that you want.
If you not give me, I go free me. I go tell a fiancé.
Listen, let me show you something. I have a camera in my car up here, see? After you come in America, so I can show my fiancé after I can show the police. See, just get tricked, mama. I not turn off this camera here. You know, it look good. You see?
Yes, I see, but I don't care.
Yeah.
Because I'm here to come take over.
Take over what?
From your fiancé.
Then I know so I go take up a Mary sister off a roadside.
Nah, like, my dad just
Lady, I appreciate if you stop touching me.
Me touch your feet.
Yo, you're deaf?
Let me feel you look like
Yo,
you.
make me crash. Make me ass crash.
You're going to say now, woman, I touch you.
No woman alone touch this place.
I fear alone.
Then I must fear her alone. I don't feel me neither. I fear her alone and she alone keep it. Now where you sit me? I pick up one of my bridges right now. So. Right, did that way I almost move gone.
Which part is?
Hmm?
Which part with that? Me tell you, so me go down and bar down your room.
I'm a bridge, I come pick up man, you see?
Kiss me.
Yes, I must kiss you.
Jason!
Maybe a moment before I say, I know me
Jason!
To me used to be just you alone in the front seat of this girl. Babe, at one point, babe, my last.
Babe! You call the person babe?
Babe, I never remember.
Babe! Me babe!
Eve, I never remember saying that.
Oh, so that you that do?
Why are that, babe?
Anyways, they feel good and lips soft. You want one? You want?
What?
Some
I don't know what you're talking about.
head.
So who?
Head.
What you mean, man? Pull the jeans right now. What? You do, you got teeth or you go gum?
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Me done. It's over.
Over your backside.
Good evening.
Alright, over your backside.
Babe,
Yeah.
you would accept that from somebody I road?
I don't know, babe. If you time right. I joke, babe, I joke.
That's not a joke.
Baby, alright, I wouldn't accept it. Best part is not who no go suffer from man, babe. You see?
But what if a person just need a driver and you go give them? Or what if somebody asks you to drop them somewhere?
Oh, well.
What happened already?
Alright.
And then the person be like this.
Hey, but that time say.
Cause when you kiss a person,
But I said.
two you call the person
So
babe.
me not get a chance to talk.
Alright, talk.
But that mood is say nothing to that babe because I mean I deal with I always tell her this is my policy from a long time. I don't deal with people when I do video with. And them the people alone me drop off. So I don't know what I try to say. Person in the road, what do I do?
Guys, I'm a little bit upset. Feel away. I feel away.
The person you can't go again? Oh, sure.
I feel away.
What you feel away for?
I don't like the fact you kiss the person, you call the person babe, and you accept stuff from the person.
What stuff? No.
But you expect me go teeth her go. You see, you understand stay too?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to close off the video right here, so it's safe to say, right? You cheat on me.
Whoa.
Right?
No, I'm not cheating.
You cheat, babe.
That's not a cheating.
You cheat.
Babe, we can't cheat.
You kiss Eve.
I'm not kiss Eve. I just lose focus for
And
a
you
second.
accept.
Why me I accept?
You accept something from her.
Why me accept?
Gum her teeth.
No, me not accept. Me ask. Aye.
Fail.
Me don't.
In cheat.
Babe, how much stay? Tell me.
Guys, I'm gonna end off my video right here in my feelings. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.